You can expect a lot from the 2018 Toyota Highlander. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, front and rear air conditioning, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.